Okay, you know, Mother's Day is this Sunday, and people are getting their homes ready for some outdoor fun, but is your backyard ready to keep all those pests away? You know, the pollen, the mosquitoes.
The list goes on and on, from keeping the pool clean to getting rid of all those annoying mosquitoes you just mentioned. Lauren Kelly is in Cypress this afternoon, along with ABC Home and Commercial Services, and they've got some great tips on how we can all enjoy the outdoors this weekend. Hi, Lauren.
Yeah, Derek and Courtney, I don't know if you've seen the temperatures for the forecast just yet. They're supposed to be in the upper 90s. And something as Houstonians we know that we hate is heat mixed with mosquitoes. And if you're going to be in the backyard for Mother's Day this weekend, that's not a combination that you want to deal with. That's why we have wrangled up our friends at ABC ABC Home and Commercial Services. I'm sorry, Raleigh Jenkins. I just want to sing it every time.
Yeah, well, you should, and I can do it for you.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.
I should never do that.
Raleigh Jenkins, you are the owner. We've been chatting about how to get your home ready for this weekend. I want to start with everybody's going to be back by the pool. We want to keep the mosquitoes away.
We do, and mosquitoes are a real big deal. I mean, and if you don't do something proactively, it's hard to go out in the backyard and say, hey, let's have a great day, and all of a sudden, oh, we should have done something about the mosquitoes.
Because once they're there, they're there.
Then you're gonna battle them for a while. So what I love are these mosquito stations that we put around the backyard. Mosquito comes in, they land in the station, they pick up, they go off and fly somewhere else. They take the material with them. So not only are they getting the adults that land in it, but they stop any immature stages that might develop in your yard. So you don't need to worry about bees or butterflies in the backyard. It only is taking care of mosquitoes, and you can see a huge difference. This is something you want to get all your neighbors doing too.
Absolutely.
The more of you do it,
so well, it's so conservative. You have no idea.
Yes, it looks like part of playing.
We're talking about power washing. We're also talking about keeping the pool clean, though.
Yeah, and the pool's real important. I mean, first of all, I'm going to start with the chemistry. So it's not a witch's brew. We got to make sure we're putting the right materials in there at the right doses that they need to have. So let's start with measuring. Where are we before we start putting any chemicals in? And then let's add the chemicals based on what is needed. And then let's make sure that the kids are swimming in a safe pool. But you still got to do all that brushing and cleaning and emptying the baskets, all those fun things. But make sure it's working well. So when you're wanting to go out and enjoy it, make sure the pumps are running, the filters are working, and then enjoy the pool while you're out there.
All right, Raleigh, Mother's Day, it's this weekend. You guys are doing something special. If you've never had your power washed done, whether it's your driveway, whether it's your back patio, or even your homes, you guys are setting it up.
It's a game changer. We just talked about this earlier. You go clean off all that mildew and all the pollen that's accumulated on the windows and on the brick and on the rock. It's a big game changer.
It looks brand new, like a different
color. And you
want
it to pop. You want all of a sudden, you know, this is a great gift to give to your wife or to your mother for Mother's Day. You know, here you go. Let's make your home look pristine and clean, and they will love it. It's neat looking out the window and not seeing the streaks and the grime and everything on there, just enjoying the great outdoors from the inside.
Absolutely. There's nothing better than looking out at a backyard or your front yard or your front house that looks absolutely stunning. And if you guys want more information, I'm going to send them to your website. Is that okay?
Yes,
all right.
Perfect.
It's abchomeandcommercial.com/Houston, or you can always give them a call at 713-730-9500. Raleigh Jenkins, thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day to your family. I hope all of our viewers give you guys a call for this weekend. Back to you and Derek, Courtney and Derek in studio right now.
All right, Lauren. The mosquito thing is genius.
It is.
Raleigh and his family, they're great. They always know what to do.
They know how to handle that state bird of ours, that mosquito.
They do. All right, Lauren, thanks. And Raleigh, thank you as well. Still